Okay guys, we're gonna be going down the road today. We're taking a little test drive in a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. I just did a walk around video, pointed out any kind of flaws I could find. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. I do have 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Also have financing, shipping information. So jump on there, check that out, and I update with new cars every Monday. This one's got the 5.0 under the hood. Pretty quiet motor. Go ahead and shut this hood down. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. I post classic American cars for sale pretty much every day. If you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know every time I do post a car. And of course, sharing and liking this video helps us out quite a bit. But you know what? Right now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Just kind of checking out the interior before we take off. Place your bets. You think that horn works? Be checking that out here in a moment. The interior's in pretty good shape. Near perfect, really. There was a little crack on the dash. It's right there. The carpet's in great shape as well. I mean, nice and clean. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up good. It's showing 83,000 miles behind the dash. And all the gauges are coming up. Definitely gonna stop at the gas station. Tilt column, windshield wipers. And you ready for the horn? Oh no, no horn on this one. AC compressor does cut on. I can hear it kicking on and off, but it's just giving us heat in the radio. Works pretty good. Let's take off down the road and see how she drives. All right, got the seat belt on. We're gonna take off down the road. Anything I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. All right, I'm gonna have to move this cone real quick. That way nobody pulls into the lot. All right. Let's go do this. This car is very smooth, right off the rip. Speedometer's coming up. All the gauges are working. Going straight as an arrow down the road. Nice tight steering. As soon as I turn, it turns. You check that kick down. We got a kick down right here. Squeaky belt. Definitely got a squeaky belt under the hood. I can also hear the speedo cable behind the dash. Hit the brakes really good since nobody's behind me. Stops fast. We got to put some gas in the gas tank. It's below a quarter tank on the red right now. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. And if you watch the walk around video, I checked the turn signals for you now. Something new that I added to the videos that I want you to check out. It's usually going to be in the walk around. So we're going to pull up to this gas pump right here. I'm going to get $20 of premium fuel. We always run premium in all the cars that come through Maple Motors, so let's get this gas and check this gauge. Okay, up here at the gas station, I'll show you where you put the fuel in on this car. Right here behind the tag. And then we'll check this gauge. All right, so we had no gas, and now it works. To creep y'all behind the steering wheel there. Okay, so I did notice it does have an antifreeze leak. It looks like it may be coming from the radiator up under the front here. That's something that we are probably going to get into and try to get that fixed before the sale of the car. But I've already made the video. Might as well continue on. The temperature's good. And we're heading back to the lot now anyways. We'll go back to the lot, top it off, and try to get somebody on that. Let's keep this going. Okay, engine temperature's good. We're looking at about 175, 180. Oil pressure's around 40, 35 to 40 on here. There's not an actual 40, but it's on up, so. Yeah, I noticed that. I was like looking around the parking lot and I seen little drips, and you could see drip, drip, drip at the bottom of the radiator. So we're not too far from home. And of course, Pat always checks all the fluids in the cars when they first come in, so it was full when we left. But I'm sure you're gonna see that in the video, and that would be something that we wouldn't fix, so. Other than that though, we got a squeaky belt. The car's running down the road perfectly fine, and the belt may be squeaking from the leak getting on there and causing it to be wet. And the speedo cable is making some noise behind the dash. Got a nice smooth ride. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it, there's really no sense in hitting it in this car. This thing's got some really good suspension on it. Hear that speedo cable? And anyways, I gotta stop at Napa here and drop them a check. I'll see y'all back at the lot here in a moment. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every day. And if you hit the notification bell, it'll tell you when I posted a car for sale. But to jump in the other Monte over there and take it down the road, I appreciate y'all watching. Hit up maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures.